Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to be talking about a circular motion during your walk. This technique probably will help you improve the way you walk. Backward for the followers, front for the leaders.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications. If you are enjoying it, like and give us any comments.
If you are ready, let's start working right away. All right, here we're in the dance floor and we're going to take a look at the circular motions and how this will help you master your walk.
What is circular motions? Like, what is that?
So,
and obviously it's a technique that we use to create the position for the steps.
What is circular motion? Is we could walk straight in line that we avoid using, or we can create a circle to send the leg first. That will explain very much. So if I want to walk forward for the leader, I will bring her a little bit to her toes, a little bit lower in the position, so she starts sending her leg right away. Can you see that? And that will create a space for you to start the walk. So basically, we're going to focus very much on this circular motion, not the entire walking.
So it's front for the followers and back for the leaders when the leader walks forward.
That is correct.
So actually we are doing the opposite than the direction we're going. We are preparing the body in an opposite position. In my case, I'm going forward when I have to walk backwards. And that makes so much sense when you try it. Probably watching it, you go like, I don't know if they're making sense, but when you try it, be sure to do it slowly and you'll see how much it's going to help you.
I always picture the cartoons, when they have to run and they go, it's exactly the same thing. In order to have good chemistry with the floor and have good connection with your partner, use that circular motion to go out.
And actually, it's a very nice technique that is coming also from ballet. I mean, every body motion needs to prepare, breathe before going. So this is one case.
So if we do it with the palms like this, what I'm doing is I'm lifting her a little bit, breathing in. Instead of going right away, did you notice that? That is bad for her lower back. I will make her sit on her toes and I'm almost sitting on my heel basically. So this will, I will be able to lower the position by staying a little bit back. Once I have that, then I can present the leg and then I will transfer weight to the front, yes?
So for the followers, when the leader goes to the heels, go back to the heel, he's moving back to the heel. I'm moving front to my toes, but not my head, not my shoulders, because that will be heavy on the embrace. I'm moving from my center, from the rib cage. This is a part I'm moving forward. So if you notice, this is my axis, and to follow that, I'll move my rib cage on my toes to the front, so I can move this leg very freely. This is very easy to move this leg without collapsing. And I feel like I'm very connected with the leader. I'm waiting on this moment for him to kind of push forward, right? Giving me the position to transfer body weight. So actually we are creating a very strong connection with the leader.
Yes.
When I move forward from the ribs, he feels my weight. So, because I see some people or students asking, some teacher told me to give resistance, to push forward. So they start doing this, push forward, push forward. No, don't do that. This is not the way. Connecting, giving resistance means you move to your toes with the rib cage. And that will be creating that connection, but you're not going to be heavy. If you do it from arms, shoulders, and head, you're going to be very heavy for the leader.
Yes, and also we'll fix one common problem that I always have it during group lessons and private lessons. The follower has the tendency, I will do is just a side step. Side step, followers normally have the tendency to get close with the hip towards him. And the leader starts feeling like, she's under our position. Don't do that. So having this position of a circular motion here, this will allow your hip to stay a little bit farther apart from him. So you have a lot more room to work. You can use the leg, you can change the leg, you can do everything. If we are very close down on the hip, we are too crowded, we start bumping with our knees. So recommendation, start using, not all the time, do not look like this. Walking, yes? So it's only the beginning of the walk. Once you create that resistance, then you keep that resistance.
We'll make another video about side step and front step for the follower, which is different circular motion technique. But this is just for you to focus on the front step for the leader and get the connection and see if you can do it. Let us know in the comments below, so we'll see if it's working for you. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Make sure also to check out the playlist that we made for you so you continue your tango journey up there and also in the description of this video.
See you on the next one.
Bye.